Dibba Parakya Bhav, that's the highest mood, and this highest mood only remain in the heart of the Braj Gopis. So, so for this regard, our Vaishnav song very clearly explains Jaya Jo Jalo Raso Sarva Raso Sar Parakiya Bhave Jatha Brajete Prachar. This Parakiya Bhav, transcendental mood, only when manifested in Braj, not in Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka and Mathura. And this Parakya mode also described in Srimad Bhagavatam, because Srimad Bhagavatam is called the spotless Puran. eh. So Amal Puran, spotless Puran gives the evidence, the Braj Gopis transcendental paramur mood. And all the high class exalted devotees of Lord, such as Brahma, Shiva, Narad, Uddhav, all they are hankering how to attain the highest mood of Braj. Eh? So Uddhav, he came in Braj and he noticed the Brajvasis, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Bad connection. And especially when Uddhav he met with the Braj Gopis, Radha, Lalita, Abhika, and Chandravuli and others Gopis, then he realized what kinds of love and affection with them. Because Uddhav he is the topmost, the devotee of Krishna. Because Krishna himself glorified to Uddhava. Hey Uddhav, you are my nearest and dearest. Even my consort Lakshmi Devi, she is not more dearest to me. Even my Baladev Prabhu, even Sankarshan, even Mahadev, and but you are my heart and soul. So in this way, Krishna himself glorified about Uddhav. For this regard, Krishna he sent to Uddhav in Braj and first to pacify the separation mood of the Braj Gopis. So for this regard, Krishna himself told to Uddhava, Gacchavaddham Braje Somang Pratimam Pratibhava Mad Vyonangopi Gopinang Mat Sandesukai Vimorcha. Hey Uddhav, you have to go to Braj and to and my parents, they are feeling so much separation from me, and especially my gopis, they also completely hankering and to violate for me. You have to go and to give my message to them. So Uddhav he came in Braj, but he could not and pacify the Brajvasis, and but he noticed what kinds of the prem, love and affection with the Brajavasis with Krishna. So finally, Uddhav, he also recited 6 verses and glorifications about Srimati Radhika and other gopis in Braj. And again, he bowed down his forehead and hankering how to receive on the sprinkle and the prem from the heart of the Braj gopis. And Asamaho Charnarenung Jusamo Sam Brindavane Kimapi Gulmalato Sidinam Jadusta Sajanarja Patanche Hitwa Bhejul Mukunda Padavi Sruti Sruti Vivirgam Bande Nanda Brajastrinang Padareno Vixnasa Jasangari Kato Gito Punati Bhuvanatrayam. And in this way, Uddhav, he recited many slokas, especially 6 verses he recited. And especially in this verse, ये बंदे नंद ब्रजस्तिनांग पाद रेणु अविष्णश जासांग हरि कथो गितो पुनाति भुवनत्रम. Only the sweet pastimes of Brajgopi's Katha purified heart of the all the living entities. But this Braj Katha you have to listen with the association of sadhu sangha. Without association of sadhu any method, you cannot to control your urges of senses. And if you not listen Hari Katha, so how will control your urges of senses? That that means in conclusion in this verse, just explain the sadhaka always have to associate with sadhu sangha. Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido bhavante hetkarna rasayana katha तज्जो सनात आसु अपवर्ग वर्त्मनि श्रद्धारति भक्ति रनुक्रमेशति. And Lord Kapil Dev told his mother, "Oh mother, this is my last and final instruction to you. Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido." O my mother, always associate high class, exalted, Brajarasic sadhu, and listen my sweet Armas pastimes. Then slowly all the unearths removed from our heart. Then first sadhana bhakti will manifest, then bhav bhakti, then prema bhakti will manifest in our heart. Because bhakti 3 stages: sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, and prema bhakti. So in sadhana bhakti, that is called the kriti saddha, bhavet saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavashtra prakattam hridi sadhate. That means once who perform bhajan and sadhan, and then he also first clean all his senses. And simultaneously how to receive on the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasi. So sadhan bhakti is that is called the first symptoms This is how to the Shraddha. Eh? Shraddha, that means faith, with the instruction Guru and the instruction of Shastra, scriptures. And for this regard, Narottam Das Thakur, he sang one song, and Guru Mukha Padma Bhakka Chite Te Koriya Oika আর নাকো রিয়া মনে আশা আর নাকো রিয়া মনে আশা শ্রী গুরু শ্রী গুরু চরণে রতি সেই সেই উত্তমা গতি যে প্রসাদে পুরে সর্বয়াসা चक्कु दान दिला जय जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से चक्कु दान दिला जय जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित. Narottam Das Thakur Prem Bhakti Chandrika very clearly explain how to first completely absolutely surrender lotus feet of Guru. Because only by the causeless mercy of Guru we can enter in Shuddha Bhakti. Even Krishna himself instructed Patamantu Guru Pujjam Tataschaiva Mama Archanam. Patamantu Guru Pujjam. First you worship the lotus feet of Guru, then you worship to me. Because by the causeless mercy of Guru, we realize about Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna himself told, Patamantu Guru Pujjam Tataschaiva Mama Archanam. So in this way, you have to give respect your Guru Padma. Then by the causeless mercy of Guru and step by step, we will develop our sadhana bhajan. That is called Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi and Asakti. This is called sadhana bhakti. So that means conclusion in this verse, only by the causeless mercy of Guru, then we can remove all kinds of anarthas from our heart, and especially this verse we also recited, Je Bacha Begam Manasa Krodha Begam, Jiha Begam Udarapasta Begam, Etan Began Jo Vijate Dhiram, Sarvang Pimang Prithiving Sasishat. And so everybody have to first control the urges of your speech, and then you have to then coming in the second stage, control the urges of your mind, and in this way step by step you have to do bhajan and sadhan. And but one thing is, if you chant the holy names and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Very simply, you can conquer all the urges of the senses. But conditional soul, but the conditional soul, Baddha Jiva, in the beginning they have no taste in chanting holy names. And all you ask yourself, How many rounds you are every day chanting? Sometimes you chanting 16, sometimes 6, sometimes 0 rounds. Because in the beginning, the conditional soul, they have no taste to chanting holy name. Yeah? Because conditional soul means is they completely are affected with jaundice disease. Yeah? And that is called yellow fever. Yeah? If you have yellow fever, jaundice disease, you can, if you eat anything, that will be bitter taste will come. But Ayurvedic doctor will give the how to licking the sitapal, that is called rock sweet. Yeah? But this, this rock sweet and the sugar also sweet, but your first taste will come very bitter. But again and again licking the sugar rock sweet, then slowly your jaundice will be diminishing. Then you will get return back your taste. Eh? Understand? That is called pitta dosha. If you are pitta dosha and you are affected with yellow fever, and if anything you eat, even sweet, and your taste will come bitter. But again, like the uh, sugar candy, rock sugar candy, then slowly, and your taste will come. In the same way, rendering chanting of the holy names and pray to Lord Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru and Gurudev, then slowly your taste will come chanting holy names. Eh? Eh? Also, in my email, in my Skype, many devotees are saying, Gurudev, I have no taste to chanting holy names, what to do? And you have, so answer is coming, you have to chant by force. And so I request also you every day chant holy names. And Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Because holy name is very sweet. Madhurang Madhurang Ita Mangala Mangalam, Sakalang Gavalichit Sofa Sosarupam, Dugmarataro Ita Krishna Nam. Eh? Because holy name is the topmost. And and you cannot compare with any sweet things with Harinam. But how to chant holy names? You have to give up all your offenses and chant holy names. And especially three offenses of the holy names, you have to and reject. That is called Satang Ninda, never criticize any sadhu. Second, if you think Krishnam equals Sivanam. Third, Guru Abugga, never dishonor to Guru. And, and In this way, so your nishtha will come. Then one day very taste will come to chanting holy name. That time very difficult to stop the chanting holy name. So I request of you every day chant holy names. Don't stop to chanting holy names. And never criticize Guru and Vaishnava. Eh? So my heartly blessing also. Now time is over. We have to go. Another program is here and temple program. So my heartly blessing all the devotees. Every day inspired to chanting holy names, read Grantha, Bhajan and Sadhan, and Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Thanks. Hare Krishna. Jai. Parish Paruski. Okay, see you soon again. Hare Krishna.